students, my name is Anita. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths. So everyone be attentive in maths class. Be ready with your textbook, okay, and pen, pencil, scale. So if you are interested, okay, in maths class, so open your maths textbook, that is page number 81. So what is in page number 81, what is there? That is chapter number 4. Chapter name is Exponents and Powers. Exponents and Powers. So today we are going to learn about exponents and powers. Already we know, for example, 3 into 3 into 3 is there. So 3 into 3 into 3. So this can be written as 3 power 3. Why we are writing 3 power 3? 3 times is there. So that's why we are writing 3 power 3. Or 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this can be written as 3 power 6. Why we are writing 3 power 6? No, it is not correct. So here how many times it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count and write. So 3 power 5. It is correct. So how many times it is there? 5 times. So that's why 3 power 5. So for example, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into so on, n times it is there. So this can be written as 3 power m. This can be written as 3 power m. So like that in this chapter we are using some shortcut and formulas. Okay students, already you know, everyone knows, it is there in 7th class also. So once again we are recall the formulas and what is the meaning of exponent and what is the meaning of power. So what is the meaning of exponent and what is the meaning of power, already you know. So once you observe, in this 3 power m is there. In this 3 power m, what is the base, what is the power, what is the exponent? Here 3 is the base, here m is the exponent, and this total is called power, 3 power m. This total is called 3 power m. So this is, we are reading as 3 power m. 3 power m. So in this understood, what is the base here? 3 as a base, m as the exponent, and totally this is, we are reading as 3 power m. Okay, got it student? So in this chapter so many formulas are there. What is there, the formulas? So formulas, first one. First formula, a power m into a power n. Here observe, bases are same, power should be added. So a power m into a power n, it should be equal to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. For example, 2 power 6 into 2 power 2 is there. So here bases are same, power should be added. So 2 power 6 plus 2. 2 power 6 plus 2. It should be equal to 2 power 8. 2 power 8. So here observe, this is the formula for a power m into a power n. It should be equal to a power m plus n. Next, second formula. What is, students, this one? So here bases are same, observe. Bases are same means power should be added. Next, a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n, it should be equal to a power n minus n, where m is always greater than n. M is always greater than n. So a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, where m is greater than n. And third formula, a power m by b power m. A power m by b power m is it. So this can be written as, here you observe, bases are different, powers are same. So this can be written as a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. For example, here, so 3 power 6 by 4 power 6. So this can be written as 3 power 6 by 4 power 6. So this can be written as 3 by 4 whole power 6. 3 by 4 whole power 6. Next, fourth formula, a power 0. A power 0 it should be equal to 1. You have to remember something power 0 is always 1. So something power 0 is always 1. For example, x power 0, y power 0. It should be equal to 1. And another example, 2 power 0, 1 should be equal to anything power 0 is equal to 1. 100 power 0 should be equal to 1. So these are the 4 formulas. First formula is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Second formula is a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, where m is always greater than n. And third formula is a power m by b power n is equal to a by b whole power n. Next, fourth formula is a power 0 is equal to 1. So something power 0 is always 1. Next, fifth formula, that is a power minus 1. A power minus 1. So a power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. 1 by a. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. For example, 2 power minus 1 is there. So 2 power minus 1 is, that means 1 by 2. 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is always 2. So that's why this can be written as 1 by 2. Here also, single a is not there. A power 1 is there. Okay? A power 1 is there. You observe. And next, for example, a power minus 2 is there. So what is the value of a power minus 2? This can be written as 1 by a power 2. A power 2. Next, 3 power minus 2 is there. So this can be written as 1 by 3 power 2. Next, in this only one more formula, that is, for example, they are given 1 by a power minus 1 is given. 1 by a power minus 1 is given. So this can be written as 1 by a power minus 1 already we know. What is the value of a power minus 1? 1 by a. So 1 by a value is nothing but a only. You have to remember that point. Okay? 1 by a is nothing but a. Next, sixth formula. A power, okay, a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n. So a power m whole power n, it should be equal to a power m n. A power m n. Next, 2, for example, 2 power 3 whole power 2. It should be equal to 2 power 2 3 is 6. M into n. Mn means m into n. So 2 power 2 3 is 6. Got it, students? These are the formulas in this chapter. So understood, students, everyone? Next formula, seventh one. For example, a by b whole power m is given. A by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. Yes or not? A by b whole power m, it should be equal to a power m by b power m. So next formula. Next we are going to start. For example, eighth one, a by b whole power minus 1 is given. A by b whole power minus 1 is given. So this can be directly, we can say that b by a whole power 1. Yes or not? How it is possible once? See, a power, this can be split out into a power minus 1 by b power minus 1. A power minus 1 by b power minus 1. So a power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. And b power minus 1 can be written as 1 by b. So 1 by a, keep like that only. So 1 by b. This can be written as b by 1. So totally it should be is equal to 1 into b by a into 1a. So b by a whole power, this can be written as b by a whole power 1. Yes, you are using shortcuts. So you have to remember these all formulas. Definitely you will get these all formulas. Definitely you will get exercise 1 problems. So we are going to start exercise 1 problems. Students, listen properly, and how I am writing on the board, your class work should be like that only. Okay students, be attentive in math class. Okay. Next we are going to start exercise 1. So what is exercise 1? Exercise 1, 8.1 exercise. So first bit, simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. Simplify and give reasons. First one, 4 power minus 3. So here we are using which formula? 4 power minus 3. So 4 power minus 3, in this we are using a power minus 1. So a power minus 1 can be written as 1 by a. We are using this formula. So 4 power minus 3, this can be written as 1 by 4 power 3. So 1 by 4 power 3 should is equal to 1 by 4 into 4 into 4. So 1 by 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. Your answer is 1 by 64. So got it students? Just observe which formula we are applying. Here we are applying a power minus 1 formula. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 cube. Okay student? Like that you have to complete first bit all problems. Next, I am going to start second bit. So second bit, simplify the following. Simplify the following. So first one, 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. Here observe, bases are same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Bases are same. Bases are same means power should be added. Which formula we are applying? A power m into a power n into a power p, or else we can take any alphabet. Okay, so a power m plus n plus p. We are applying this formula here. We are going to apply this formula. So a power m into a power n into a power p is equal to a power m plus n plus 3. So 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. It should be equal to 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6. So 15. So 1 by 2 whole power 50. Your answer is 1 by 2 whole power 50. Which formula is we are applying? Observe, just observe the formulas. Okay. Next, in second bit, third one they are given. In second bit they are given third one. Students, it is very easy chapter and it is very simple for you also. So third one, 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. They are given. So first split out this bracket. So 4 power 4, keep like that only, into, here power is same, we are applying here which formula? A by B whole power m, which is equal to A power m by B power m form. So 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Here 4 power 4, here 4 power 4 is there. So they both will get cancelled. Okay. So here 1 into 5 power 4. Our answer is 5 power 4. So 5 power 4 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. Your answer is 625. Your answer is 625. Okay, students, understood? Next, in this fifth one, minus 3 whole power 4 into 7 power 4 is given. Here we are applying A power. We are applying, you observe here, bases are different, powers are same. Bases are different, powers are same. So A power m into B power m, it should be equal to AB whole power m we are applying. So AB whole power m we are applying. Here powers are same, bases are different. So A power m into B power m is equal to AB whole power m. So minus 3 whole power 4 into 7 power 4. So this can be written as minus 3 into 7 whole power 4. So it should be equal to minus 3 7s are 21 minus 21 whole power 4. So multiplication is not required. Keep like that only. Okay, got it, students? Understood? In second bit, fifth one. So remaining problems you have to do it. If you understood these formulas, you will get definitely remaining problems also. Okay, students. Next, I am going to start third bit. Simplify. So first question they are given 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. So first observe which formula we are applying here. Observe. So this can be written as 2 square, keep like that only. And here this can be written as 1 by 2 power minus 2, 1 by 2 power minus 2 into 3 square into 3 power minus 1. So again 2 square into, so this can be written as, already I said, 1 by 2 power minus 2 can be written as directly 2 power 2 into 3 square into, this can be written as 1 by 3 power 1 or as 1 by 3. So here bases are same, power should be added. So that means 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4 into, here 3 2 times is there, here 1 time is there. So this can be written as, or else use A power m by A power n formula. So 2 minus 1. So 2 power 4 into 3. Okay. So 2 power 4 is nothing but 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 into 3. So 16 is a 48. So this is your answer. So understood, students? Your homework is in first bit you have to complete first bit all questions. In second bit, second one and third one, fourth one, fifth one also. Next, third bit, second. So this is your homework. Understood, student? Complete your homework. Okay, thank you.